Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today, I want presentation about my ISAS. The title is Face Recognition in iOS. Before start the presentation, I want to introduce my group. My name is Arya Ridwan Arsy Qalam and my friend Muhammad Rabiul Khaffi. Next. First, what is biometric? Biometric in general is the study of measurable biological characteristics. In the world of information technology, biometrics are relevant to the technology that used to analyze physical and human behavior in authentication. Biometric identifiers are very unique. Measurable characteristics are used to identify individuals. Next. What is face recognition? Facial recognition is a software algorithm used to verify or identify our individuals' identity by processing a video frame or a digital image in which the individual face is visible. There are several different methods that facial recognition technologies work, but they generally compare facial features in image to contained within a database. Next. Face recognition algorithm. In this case, every pixel is replaced with a relative lighting representation, meaning that it shows how the pixel brightness compared to the surrounding pixel. That is relative measurement makes it easier to identify the same face through multiple forms of lighting. Okay, thank you. The next slide. Continue the presentation with my friend Muhammad Rabiul Khaffi. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rabiul Khaffi and I'm gonna continue my part of explanation. Arya Ridwan Arsy Qalam before me. So let's get started. The use of face recognition. To understand how facial recognition works, we first need to know the concept of feature factors. Each machine learning algorithm will learn from the data contained in the dataset. This algorithm will trace the data and identify the patterns that are in it. So, facial recognition is a biometric identification system that is very effective in producing information. This can occur due to the use of a neural network algorithm, which plays an important role in the development of facial recognition system. Okay, this is the main topic actually. How to set up a Face ID or Apple Face ID, or as we can say, is face recognition scanner in iOS. So before you set up Face ID, make sure that there isn't any kind of thing covering your face or the camera, and the Face ID is designed to work with glasses and contacts. So if you're wearing any glasses like this, it's okay, or any contact lens is okay. You cannot set up a Face ID if anything is obstructing your nose and mouth, like a face mask like this. And Face ID works better when your iPhone or iPad is approximately an arm's length or closer, 10 to 20 inches from your face like this. Yeah. So, to set up a Face ID, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. If asked, enter your passcode and then tap Set up Face ID. Make sure that you are holding your device in portrait orientation. Position your face in front of your device like this and tap Get Started. And it will request you to move your head gently, like up, down, left and right, sorry. And you can position your face inside the frame that you can see the frame of your face in the screen, in your phone screen, and then continue the steps and you're gonna finish it, and then you finally can use those facial recognition in your phone. So I'm gonna show you like the advantage and the disadvantage for the face recognition. First, it has 100% accuracy, cheaper cost, ease of use, lower maintenance, and always online and connected. But an iPhone, you don't have to be online to use the facial recognition. You can still use the facial recognition if you're offline. So the data is saved in your local storage. Okay, the disadvantage of facial recognition. Unfortunately, facial recognition technology is still full of shortcomings and pros and cons that continue to be debated. One of them is about the privacy of people whose faces have been scanned. Yeah, this is the main issues of facial recognition. So we have to be aware that our data could be saved by other people, by anonymous, by hackers. It could be hijacked. So be careful of that. So the conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion is face recognition is security, biometric security that matching your face and your saved face in a database. So if it doesn't match, you will not gonna passing the security system. And the suggestion is, from me, you can use this face ID or any kind of facial recognition in your device, in your smart house, maybe in your car in the future, because I think it was very secure, because no one can be look alike like you, like your face, like yourself, even if it's your sister or your brothers. But it was not. Yeah, it was my suggestion. You can use this as your daily security, even if you're a twins. It maybe you have some different, in your face, like some freckles or some burn mark, I think. Yeah, it was all our suggestion. So use it wisely, as long as this security worked for you. Keep using it, and stay safe. Be aware out there, because hackers are everywhere. Thank you.